One of our favorite dips in this house is buffalo chicken dip. Get started on making our buffalo chicken dip. We're gonna start with heating up our skillet. We're gonna add half and half cream cheese. We're gonna let that mix together. I suggest when you're doing this, make sure that you take out your cream cheese ahead of time, and if you make it room temperature, it's gonna make it a lot easier for melting. Now that we've melted our cream cheese and our half and half, we're gonna add in blue cheese crumble. And this is fairly easy. We're gonna lower the heat, mix this all in. And next we're gonna add in our buffalo sauce. I'm gonna do 4 tablespoons of buffalo sauce. And you can find this in the store. If for some reason you can't find wing buffalo sauce, another suggestion would be you can make your own by mixing together butter with hot sauce. That will also make buffalo sauce. So I'm gonna lower this heat, mix this together, and this is our mixture that we need for our chicken. I'm gonna use shredded chicken that I just cooked some chicken breasts and shredded it myself. So you can just use, even if you had a whole chicken and you shred up some chicken for this. This is such an easy recipe and always loved by kids and adults at my house. So once your sauce is all cooked and all your ingredients are combined, we're gonna add in our chicken. So this is our shredded chicken. We're gonna add that right into here. We're gonna make sure that we incorporate all the sauce all over our chicken. Look how easy this was. If you're going to someone's house and you need to bring an appetizer, this is perfect. Or you're watching the game, a Sunday night. Next, we're gonna take this mixture and we're going to put it in a Pyrex dish. So we have our chicken. We're gonna put this right into a Pyrex pan right here. So easy. So if you're taking this to someone's house, you can just get it ready like this, have it already pre-made, add some cheddar cheese on top, which we're gonna do right now. And if you're going to someone's house, take it like this and then bake it at the person's home. But I'm gonna make this for my kids right now. So we're gonna add some cheddar cheese on top. And we're gonna bake this at 350 until our cheese is melted. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.